to Guitar Immersion. This is going to be just a quick tutorial on a few different things, but it's primarily the intro for a really cool song by Jimmy Eat World, In the Middle. I always forget what it's called, but you're going to enjoy this. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the key. It's in the key of D. So let's look at the chords that we're going to use and the scale. First chord, key of D. Of course, we're going to have D. Let's zoom into the fretboard to take a look. The first D is going to be right here. I don't know if you can see that. Instead of setting up our normal D like this, we're still going to keep it kind of like a power chord, so no third in there. Another way they play it is an open D. The 6th, 5th, and 4th string. So with that being said, I think he probably plays it here on the 5th fret as well. But for that very first verse, it's an open D, so it's, and they're using palm muting. So let's also take a look at the opening riff. Before we do that, let's take a look at the D major scale. I'll play 2 octaves. So that first opening riff is going to be on the D and the A string. So again.
Yourself up yet. It's only in your head you feel left down. I look down on.
Something like that. So listen to it. I'm gonna put this back on you because you want to learn this song. Let your ear be your guide to what chords to use. But again, I'll clue you in. It's gonna be D, A, and G. Those are the 3 chords he's using. We can take a deeper look into some other intricacies later on if you'd like. But for now, in a nutshell, that's the song. So enjoy.